Hey, and welcome back to the isoPoint training series. I'm Eric with Aktina, and in this video, we'll provide a high-level overview of the functionality of your isoPoint software. Let's dive right in. After starting the isoPoint software, you'll see a row of horizontal buttons along the top, which will be enabled if your software is properly licensed. These buttons help you navigate the main sections of the software: the Isocenter Workspace, Camera View, Settings, Template Management, Licensing, and the About section, from left to right. If these buttons are not enabled, be sure to check out the training video on software licensing, linked in the description below. I'll give you a brief overview of each section, but remember that detailed workflow training videos explain how to use all the software features for various isoPoint tasks. You can find links to related videos in the description below. The first navigation button takes you to the Isocenter Workspace, where all your isoPoint workflows are implemented. This is the core section of the software, organized into two parts. On the left, you'll find tabbed windows with tree views for managing your projects and viewing data within each project. A vertical toolbar to the left of these tree views will display different buttons depending on whether you're in the Project Tree tab or the Data Tree tab. For more details on project management and navigating your data, check out the link in the description below. On the right, you'll see 3D and 2D graphs for viewing your data, with slider bars to adjust the graph sizes. To the far right, you'll find another vertical toolbar with buttons that control how your data is displayed in the graphics windows. At the bottom of this page is the status bar, which shows the project you've loaded on the left side and displays information about optical tracking and licensing on the right. The status bar will change color to alert you if something needs your attention: green for good, yellow for warnings, and red for faults. Next is the camera view page, which shows a real-time feed of what both cameras in the pod are seeing. This page is primarily for troubleshooting optical tracking issues, which is covered in detail in the video linked below. Following that is the settings section, which has a vertical sub-navigation bar on the left to access various settings. We won't cover these settings in detail in this video, except where relevant to specific workflows. For more details on customizing your isoPoint software, refer to the isoPoint user manual, which provides extensive guidance on the settings page. Next is the templates section, where you can create and manage imaging templates. These templates define the EPID images required for Isocenter validation and beam alignment datasets. Templates are a great way to streamline dataset creation, avoiding repetitive tasks. Each workflow that uses templates will explain how to create and manage them in its respective training video. Second to last is the licensing page, where you can import and manage your isoPoint license. And finally, the info page displays your current isoPoint software version. If you're not using the latest version, this page will notify you and provide a download link to update. Remember, with your isoPoint subscription, you're entitled to all new releases as soon as they're available. The info page also includes a section for software faults. If any have occurred, you'll have the option to save an error report, which can be emailed to Aktina for troubleshooting. I hope this overview has provided you with a solid understanding of the main sections of the isoPoint software. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at isoPoint@aktina.com. Be sure to check out our other training videos for more tips and guidance on using isoPoint. Enjoy using isoPoint. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.